Morning guys, so Monday morning back in Stevenage on our little bathroom refurb. Had to take a couple of tiles off the wall because I made a bit of a cock up and I didn't clock that these pattern tiles have like a grain, a downward grain. Now I've done all of them that fine, but these two were going up and then there was a chip, a very small chip in the corner that the client spotted. So we've taken those three tiles out and we're going to recut and put new ones in this morning. They're there ready to go in. Obviously we've got to have a good tidy up first because we made a mess getting them tiles off the wall. Finish that section down there. So I'll finish that section off, get that done. So that's all finished then. And then we're going to look at this wall. I'm going to get 2 rows across there, possibly 3. And then get a few rows across this wall as well. So we've got our levels sorted. And then we can then tile up. And then we can look at this awkward piece here which we've got to come across and down, but this wall's all out of level, so that's going to be a bit tricky, that one, to get it right, because it's out of level from top to bottom, so it's out at the top. So that'd be our first tile. I'm going to do level and we'll have to pack the tiles out a little bit going down this wall. It's not out by much. I think it's more of a bow in the middle more than anything else, but we'll figure it out. But yeah, that's going to be our last bit, and the knee should be our last bit because they're more intricate. As long as I can get this wall finished, get most of this wall finished today as much as possible, these are my priorities. And then I've got another day then just fanning about finishing it and grouting, and then that gives me 3 days to get the floor done and second fix and a new door. So should be finished by Friday, got to be finished by Friday, so I may have to do some late ones if we start looking like we're getting behind. Stay tuned guys. Okay guys, there we go. So now all of our tiles now actually flow in the right direction, all flowing down so the water washes down them. Silly mistake by me, glad the client caught it. And the embarrassing thing is my daughter actually said to me on Friday, "Dad, those tiles are upside down." And I went, "Nah, it's a random pattern, it's fine." I didn't even look. So that'll teach me for not listening to my daughter. But yeah, corrected. That's what we pride ourselves on, guys, with DC Joinery and Handyman Services. We pride ourselves on giving the best job possible. And the tiles were really well stuck, so I know that I'm doing a good job of the adhesive. So we've put that right. Now we're just going to concentrate on the rest of the bathroom. There are no more pattern tiles like that. They're all just basic now. So now we can just flow through it and get on. Cheers guys. Okay guys, so it's Monday over with. We didn't do too badly. Obviously we've still got this to sort out. We've replaced those damaged tiles and the ones they had round the wrong way. We've filled up down there. We've done pretty much the whole window wall except for the reveal and across the bottom, and then we've got this whole wall's been done all the way down across the floor. That one's not fitted yet, it's just a spacer because I've got to bring the rad pipes out still, and unfortunately we've run out of tiles, so the client's got some more on order. So tomorrow will be the floor, so we've still got all that to do, the reveal and the window. So tomorrow we're going to detrim out the floor with rapid set, give that half an hour, lay the 6x6, the 600 by 600 floor tiles out, hopefully get them down with rapid set as well. Yeah, so we should have the floor done tomorrow. Normally I'd do the floor after the walls, but obviously we're not having any more tiles to finish off. I've got to do the floor, otherwise I'm going to have to call it a day, and I don't want to do that. Got to keep the job moving. So floor tomorrow, and that'll be all we do tomorrow. And then hopefully Wednesday finish the tiling, and that gives me Thursday and Friday to silicone second fix. So should be good. Can't see any issues with that. Don't forget guys, like, share, follow. See you soon.